saying? Welcome to another episode with your boy. Getting time cussing and content. 4C game for life, baby. What? Don't judge me, judge your damn. Oh my God, y'all. This good old peach cobbler pie right here. Oh yeah, y'all, would y'all like to see it? See this? This is some good old peach cobbler with some vanilla ice cream. Yeah, that would, oh, with the mayo and ketchup, that is delicious. But this is the good old peach cobbler here with some vanilla ice cream. Oh my God, this is like my second bowl of it. You know, when you eat it, I swear when you eat it really makes you feel better. Yes, that mayo. The French fries with the mayo, the bread, the ketchup, delicious. Now, I know y'all say I eat a lot, but I always like to take a little ice cream. Oh yeah, cause see, look, that ice cream melts into that. Oh. Y'all know what? I wish somebody was here. Hey, Janie, how you doing, baby? I wish somebody was here in Detroit. I live in Detroit, Michigan. When I say, I'm not a big sweet eater, but when I do eat sweets, oh my God, these peaches. So look, I still got a whole pot full of peach cobbler. And when I say, what up, Alonzo? When I say that the peach cobbler, no matter what ingredients you put in here, if you don't use the right kind of vanilla extract, if you don't use the right kind of, oh, it's so good, got my nose running. If you don't use the right kind of vanilla extract, spend a little more money on that. That's what makes it, oh my God. I tell you, sometimes, for me, I don't know what other people are going to agree to, food can be better than sex. The crunchiness of the crust, the nutmeg, the allspice, oh my God, the zest of the orange and the lemon. You know, I put lemon and orange zest in here. And I put some walnut extract in here. You know, I can eat about 2 of these bowls. Hey, Mr. Morrison. Yeah, I'm not just saying them. I challenge anybody that lives in Detroit, Michigan, to come over here and try this. Boy, I could sell this in a restaurant. And I mean, people would pay for this. Wow. My God. Have you ever just ate something that makes you want to dance? And all I did was get some dollar store, some Dollar Days vanilla ice cream to go with it. Oh, y'all know what? Show y'all how much that just really is good that I'm going to sit here. Hey, cousin, Fatima. To show y'all how good this really is. Oh, my God. This one right here, if my mama wasn't such a badass, I would slap her. But I'd slap her, and that'd be the last slap I would do. But this would make you slap your mama. The lemon juice is coming through here. The lemon juice, the nutmeg, the allspice, the cinnamon, the orange zest, the lemon zest, the sugar, the brown sugar. Come on, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Oh, my God. And this is something I just had to taste for today. I'm going to have to take my mama some of this. You know what? My mother, me and my mother been having this big debate, too. She done went on YouTube or something, and my mother used to make peach cobbler from scratch. But now she done went on YouTube, because, you know, you can get anything on YouTube now. And they're telling her to use Bisquick, whatever that is. I tasted it. It tastes all right, but it's nothing. Look at it. This is nothing but pure. Look at that. Pure deliciousness. Pure good. You know what? Any food that make you want to dance or you move a little bit. You know what the problem is? I hate living by myself. You know why? Because now I'm going to eat that whole damn pot all to myself. I'm going to eat it till I'm sick. I can't stop eating this. You know, I never eat a whole dish in front of y'all. But what up, Jody? What up, Jody Jackson? You all right? I never eat a whole... You see how this bowl? I never eat a whole bowl of anything in front of y'all, but... This is ridiculous. Them peaches with that ice cream is so delicious. I'm in heaven right now, Jody. I'm really in heaven. You see, all I do is eat. I made me some chicken earlier. I ate like 7 pieces there. Now I'm not going to eat no more of this because I done ruined it with this. I love to eat. Y'all know what? I'm nervous. This is so delicious. I'm nervous. And wow. Okay. Oh my God. Whoa. I mean, them peaches are so damn good. I did that. I really did that. I have to take my mother some of this. I have to. Let her know what good peach cobbler tastes like. The brown sugar. Y'all see that? Look. Have I ever sat and ate anything all in front of y'all like that? Well, I am today. I don't care if I got any viewers or not. I'm eating the hell out of here. Yeah. Yeah. I made it from scratch. Peach cobbler from scratch. Mmm. See that? And when I Okay. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to go walk around the block just to. Cause this is guilty. This is guilty pleasure right here. Mm. Mm. Y'all see that? Good to the last drop. I don't want y'all to see me get another one because y'all gonna really say, damn, he's greedy. Y'all, I'm out. I'm about to give me some more of this, okay? I got to go, y'all. Oh my God. I'm so glad I know how to cook. God bless. Take it easy. Comedian Michael Allen out. Woo.